Okay, what's up? This is just a quick tip I want to give anybody that's into Claude Code and just uses basically AI all the time, which is a good thing. But what you notice is if you're in one of these chat things, like this is my Claude chat app here, but you can also be doing this in the browser, obviously, right? You just get like this long chat. And the problem is that like you just kind of lose context. It does try and compact the conversation, but eventually like it's also just not very manageable to have like your entire project just being run like this. And so what I asked it to do, and this is just a really quick tip for anybody, I asked it to just create me basically a whole bunch of MD files. And if you don't know what MD means, it stands for Markdown. And I asked it, I was like, as a matter of fact, create me a series of MD files. I will continue this in a local file system with Claude Code so we can keep everything in context. Now, if Claude Code seems like magic to you, it is, it's fine. But I'm just doing project management here. I'm just brainstorming, thinking about, in this case, it's like I'm setting up my school community and I have like the entire go-to-market strategy. There's a lot of things that I'm thinking about, and there's a lot of steps to, starting this community, for example. I was discussing all of it and thinking about how to present it. But the thing that got to me is that it's just got annoying just doing it here. And so it created basically here, it says overall, like it created me all these files. And then I was just able to download those files locally on my computer. So I'm going to show them to you. So here they are. They're locally on my computer. And I just grab a new Visual Studio. And this is just one of the projects that I'm currently working on. I just go to File and I say Open Folder. And then I just go exactly to that folder where I downloaded all of those MD files. And that's my project now, right? And so the cool thing is now I've got Claude Code in here as a plugin. So if you haven't done that before, you just go to plugins, install Claude Code, boom. And then I got my file system right here on the left. And so now I can talk about all this project, create more folders, and just do basically project management here with Claude Code. And it just helps with the organization, right? Because I have all of these files here now, and I can jump in between each file. And if I want to change something about this file, I can change it by hand by myself, or I can, the opportunities are just unlimited. And you shouldn't be shied away from VS Code and Claude Code in that sense. What I'm trying to make a point is like, it also works for just regular files. I can create PDFs, I can create presentations, I can do all types of project work right here. And I don't have to be a software engineer. I just have to install software engineer tools and talk English. So yeah, so if you like that, if you like those types of tips and ideas, yeah, that's what I'm here for. So peace and love. I'm out.